Hello friends, we continued with the carbohydrate metabolism. The next topic in carbohydrate metabolism is Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, and it is discovered by and described by the Hans Krebs in 1937. Krebs was awarded in the Nobel Prize in the chemistry for his discovery. During the Krebs cycle, the carbon chains from the glucose are broken down further, and NADH and FADH and a small amount of ATP are made. The TCA cycle, Krebs cycle, it occurs totally in mitochondria, and the pyruvate actually acetate from glycolysis is degraded to CO2, and some ATP is produced, more NADH is made. NADH goes on to make more ATP in electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation. It is a traffic cycle component entering and the leaving. तो TCA को मेनली हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि TCA cycle is start with the mitochondria. Now here we can see that the pyruvate in the acetyl coenzyme further in the citrate further made the isocitrate, the ketoglucarate and the succinyl coenzyme, then succinate, fumarate, then malate and the oxaloacetate. In this type, this cycle will be completed. In Krebs cycle, the series of the chemical reactions used by all the aerobic organisms to release the stored energy and through the oxidation of acetyl coenzyme derived from the carbohydrate, fats and protein. And the primary function of the one turn to the TCA cycle from an energy generating perspective to oxidize the acetyl coenzyme to the 2 molecule of the carbon dioxide. And the completion of the TCA cycle generate the ATPase and the byproducts 3 NADH and 1 AFDH2 and further feed the ATC complex, NADH dehydrogenase and complex 2 SDH respectively. Now जो Krebs cycle है, इसकी सारी स्टेजेस को हम वन बाय वन डिस्क्लोज करेंगे. The step of Krebs cycle, the TCA cycle is a central pathway that provides the unifying point for many metabolites which feed in at various points. It takes place over 8 different stages. In the first step, the acetyl coenzyme A contains the 2 carbon molecule joined with the oxaloacetate 4 carbon molecules to form the citrate 6 carbon molecule. मतलब एसिटाइल ज्वाइन होगा ऑक्जेलोएसिटेट से एंड फॉर्म करेगा सिट्रेट को, एंड सिट्रेट्स कन्वर्ट टू द आइसोसिट्रेट. इट इज़ अ आइसोमर ऑफ सिट्रेट. देन आइसोसिट्रेट इज ऑक्सीडाइज टू द अल्फा केटोग्लूटरेट. दिस इज द 5 carbon molecule which result into the release of carbon dioxide, and 1 NADH molecule is formed. Now the enzyme responsible for catalyzing this step is isocitrate dehydrogenase. This is a rate limiting step as the isocitrate dehydrogenase is an allosterically controlled enzyme. In the step 4, the alpha ketoglutarate is oxidized to form a 4 carbon molecule. This binds to the coenzyme A, forming the succinyl coenzyme A, and a second molecule of NADH is produced alongside the second molecule of carbon dioxide. In the next step, succinyl coenzyme is then converted into the succinate 4 carbon molecules and the 1 GTP molecule is produced. And the succinate is converted into the fumarate 4 carbon molecules and a molecule of the FADH2 is produced. In the next step, fumarate is converted into the malate, another 4 carbon molecule, and the malate is then converted into the oxaloacetate and the third molecule of NADH is produced. Each cycle produces the 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and 3 molecules of NADH and 3 hydrogen ions, 1 molecule of FADH2 and the 1 molecule of GTP. Each molecule of glucose produces 2 molecules of pyruvate, which is turn produce 2 molecule of acetyl coenzyme A. Therefore, each molecule of glucose produce double this. तो एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए के जितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं ग्लूकोज के प्रोड्यूस करेंगे डबल को। तो क्या क्या बना इसमें, 2 मॉलिक्यूल CO2, 3 मॉलिक्यूल NADH, 3 हाइड्रोजन, 1 FADH2 and the 1 GTP. Now the regulation of the TCA cycle. The regulation of the TCA cycle, like that of the glycolysis, occur at both the level of the entry and the substrates into the cycle as well as that the key reaction of the cycle. ये किसी की तरह वर्क करता है ग्लाइकोलिसिस जो हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा। फ्यूल enters the TCA cycle primarily as acetyl coenzyme A. The generation of the acetyl coenzyme A from the carbohydrate is therefore a major control point of the cycle. तो मेन फ्यूल क्या है इसका TCA साइकिल में, एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए, और इसका जनरेशन कहाँ से होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट से। तो मेजर कंट्रोल पॉइंट ऑफ द साइकिल दिस एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए। दिस इज द रिएक्शन कैटेगराइज्ड बाय द PDH complex and the overview the citric acid cycle or the Krebs cycle tricarboxylic acid cycle include the series of oxidation reduction reactions in the mitochondria that result in the oxidation of an acetyl group of 2 molecule of carbon dioxide and reduce the coenzymes that are reoxidized through the electron transport chain linked to the formation of ATP. So we can say that the TCA cycle or the Krebs cycle is a main source of energy for the cells and an important part of aerobic respiration. The cycle harness the available chemical energy to the acetyl coenzyme A acetyl into the reduced power of the NADH. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.